how to find inbox message preferences settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find inbox message preferences settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here, and after you click on it, click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then just click privacy and scroll down until you find comments, and scroll down again. Here you will comments, and here you will find it, mentions and tags here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.